Friends, creating a Reddit account is easy. Keeping it stable is where most setups fall apart. You start using it, and sooner or later, something gets restricted or linked, and you're back to fixing the environment again. The real challenge isn't registration, it's long-term stability. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you a different approach using Multilogin. It's a platform that combines an anti-detect browser and genuine Android cloud phones inside one dashboard. These are physical-grade cloud-hosted Android devices with genuine hardware identifiers, persistent sessions, and built-in mobile connectivity designed for stable account management. Multilogin has become far more accessible and scalable, whether you're working solo or managing a team. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Multilogin is a platform designed to manage multiple online accounts safely from a single workspace. It combines an anti-detect browser with real Android cloud phones, allowing you to work with both desktop and mobile environments inside one dashboard. Instead of juggling separate tools for different parts of your setup, everything is structured inside one unified system. Each browser profile or cloud phone runs with its own isolated identity, helping you keep accounts separated and stable over time. The goal isn't just access, it's long-term account management with consistency and control. Guys, on the screen, you can see the Multilogin desktop interface. Everything is clean and intuitive. Inside the Mobile tab, you'll find your cloud phones. They are managed just as easily as browser profiles. To get started, we click Create, and the system asks us to choose a device. You're getting access to real Android hardware in the cloud. You can choose between different brands like Samsung, Google Pixel, and many more. There are dozens of supported device models and submodels available. Each cloud phone comes with genuine and persistent hardware identifiers. Folks, and for platforms like Reddit, that's critical. Reddit can instantly detect manipulated parameters. Here, we're using genuine device data, which makes your mobile identity look naturally consistent. Another major advantage: you don't need to search for external proxies. Every plan already includes high-quality residential proxy traffic. The system automatically matches mobile-grade proxies to your cloud phone. All you need to do is choose a geolocation if required, down to specific regions or even cities. Friends, you can also select the ISP provider, meaning the internet provider that will be associated with the device. Let's give this profile a name and create it. Now we can see the profile has been successfully created and we can launch it. You'll see a note explaining that apps can be launched not from the Play Store, but directly from the built-in app marketplace. The Android device starts, and this is a real Android environment. Inside the session, you can install applications directly from the marketplace without logging into Google services or going through extra setup steps. Mates, for example, we search for Reddit, find the app, and install it. You'll notice that many popular applications are available in the marketplace, and if you need a specific version, you can upload and install an APK file manually. Multilogin supports full compatibility with native Android apps. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Another small but very useful detail: downloading apps does not consume your proxy traffic. That helps optimize resource usage. Now that Reddit is installed, we move to the most important part: creating an account with a completely clean mobile identity. We tap Sign Up, choose email registration, enter the address, and continue. From this same cloud phone, we can open the email inbox and confirm the verification link directly inside the mobile session. And guys, again, this is a physical-grade cloud-hosted Android device, not an emulator. Once the account is created, you can use it naturally inside the app, just like you would on a physical phone. Because the device uses genuine hardware identifiers, your actions appear natural to platform algorithms. But the most important part happens when you close the phone. Multilogin supports persistent sessions. That means all session data remains stored between uses, so your account stays logged in and ready to continue. If you return tomorrow, you won't need to re-enter credentials or go through additional verification. your account stays active and ready. Friends, that's where real efficiency begins. You can manage hundreds of such cloud phones directly from your desktop and scale operations without increasing detection risk. Multilogin grows with you, whether you're running a few accounts or managing large-scale workflows. Guys, managing Reddit accounts at scale isn't about creating profiles faster, it's about keeping them stable over time. When sessions stay consistent and device identity remains natural, the workflow becomes predictable. Multilogin brings desktop and mobile environments together in one place, combining isolated browser profiles with real Android cloud phones. I personally use this tool and find it useful, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. Hopefully, this walkthrough helps you understand how Multilogin can fit into your Reddit workflow and whether it makes sense for your setup. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description and use the code DAN50 to get 50% off all monthly plans. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.